Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare DeepSeek versus Blender. DeepSeek is an advanced artificial intelligence model, primarily designed for coding assistance and generating text, offering powerful capabilities for developers. On the other hand, Blender is a robust, open-source three-dimensional graphics software, widely used by artists and animators for creating stunning visual content. Understanding their distinct functions is key, as they cater to very different needs in the digital world. Let's explore each tool's unique strengths. DeepSeek, particularly its coder models, shines in the realm of artificial intelligence and programming. It's incredibly adept at generating high-quality code, debugging existing scripts, and explaining complex programming concepts across numerous languages. This AI assistant can significantly boost productivity for developers, helping them tackle intricate coding challenges and even generate creative text content. With models featuring billions of parameters, DeepSeek represents a powerful leap in AI-driven development tools. Blender stands out as a versatile powerhouse for three-dimensional graphics and animation. Artists utilize it for everything from detailed modeling and sculpting to creating stunning visual effects and full-length animated films. Its robust feature set includes advanced rendering engines, comprehensive animation tools, and realistic simulation capabilities for elements like fire and water. Supporting a wide range of different file formats, Blender offers immense flexibility for creative professionals across various industries. So, which is better, DeepSeek or Blender? The answer truly depends on your objective. If your project involves artificial intelligence, coding, or natural language processing, DeepSeek is your go-to solution, offering unparalleled assistance. However, for any endeavor in three-dimensional modeling, animation, visual effects, or game design, Blender is the undisputed champion. Both are incredibly powerful tools in their respective domains, each excelling at what they were built to do. Choose the one that aligns with your specific creative or technical task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.